Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. Today, we will learn English phrases that you can use every day. We will practice greetings, daily conversations, travel phrases, vocabulary expansion, and some common pronunciation mistakes. Repeat after me and try to speak clearly. By the end of this lesson, you will be more confident in English. Let's start with greetings. Hello, hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Nice to meet you. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Sample conversation. Alex. Hello. How are you? Viewer. Hello. How are you? Alex. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Viewer. I'm fine, thank you. Alex. Nice to meet you. Viewer. Nice to meet you. Now, let's move to daily conversations at home and work. I'm still at home. I'm going to work. I need some help. Can you repeat that, please? Let's meet tomorrow to finish the task. Sample dialogue. Alex. Hi, where are you? Viewer. I'm still at home. Alex. Can you help me with this task? Viewer. Sure, I need some help first. Alex. Okay, let's meet tomorrow to finish it. Remember, always repeat the sentences out loud. Try to speak slowly at first, then faster. Daily practice will make your English more natural. Next, let's practice pronunciation. I'm still at home. Correct. I'm still at home. She go to school? Correct. She goes to school. He don't like it. Correct. He doesn't like it. Repeat after me. I'm still at home. She goes to school. He doesn't like it. Great. Now we will learn travel and restaurant phrases. I would like a coffee, please. How much is this? Where is the bathroom? I need directions to the station. Sample conversation. Alex. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Viewer. It's over there, next to the cafe. Alex. Thank you. I would like a coffee, please. Viewer. Sure, that will be $3. Practice each line after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Using these phrases daily will help you communicate naturally. Remember to take small pauses between phrases. This will help TTS sound natural and easier for listeners to follow. Welcome back. Let's continue practicing daily conversations. At home, you can say, I'm cooking dinner. I'm cleaning the house. I'm doing my homework. At work, you can say, I'm attending a meeting. I'm answering emails. I'm taking a break. Sample dialogue. Alex. What are you doing at home? Viewer. I'm cooking dinner. Alex. Can you help me with cleaning? Viewer. Sure, I'm cleaning the house now. Alex. Great. Next, let's practice useful questions. Can you help me, please? Could you repeat that slowly? Where can I find the supermarket? How do I get to the bus station? Sample conversation. Alex. Excuse me, where is the bus station? Viewer. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. Alex. Thank you. Can you help me find the supermarket? Viewer. Sure, it's next to the park. Remember to repeat each line slowly, then faster. Practicing questions will help you speak English naturally in daily life. Now, let's talk about time expressions. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9. I finish work at 5 o'clock. In the evening, I practice English for 1 hour. Sample dialogue. Alex. What time do you wake up? Viewer. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Alex. When do you eat breakfast? Viewer. I eat breakfast at 8. Alex. When do you practice English? Viewer. I practice English in the evening for 1 hour. Now, let's expand your vocabulary. Important words to learn today are confident, practice, repeat, daily, important. Sample sentences. I practice English daily to become confident. It is important to repeat phrases out loud. Repeat after me. I practice English daily to become confident. Repeat after me. It is important to repeat phrases out loud. Next, we will learn phrases for shopping. How much is this? I would like to buy this, please. Do you have this in another size? Can I pay by card? Sample conversation. Alex. How much is this shirt? Viewer. It's $20. Alex. Do you have this in another size? Viewer: Yes, we have medium and large. Alex: Can I pay by card? Viewer: Yes, card is accepted. Remember, vocabulary and practical phrases are the keys to speaking English naturally. Always practice aloud and try to use new words and sentences every day. Let's practice travel and directions phrases. Useful expressions. Can you tell me the way to the train station? Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the next traffic light. It's near the supermarket. Sample conversation. Alex: Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the train station? Viewer: Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. Alex: Thank you. Is it near the supermarket? Viewer: Yes, it's next to the supermarket. Alex: Can you help me, please? Viewer: Of course, follow me. Now, let's practice polite expressions. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Repeat after me. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Next, let's talk about routines. I wake up, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, take a break, return home, practice English, go to bed. Sample dialogue. Alex: What do you do after waking up? Viewer: I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Alex: What do you do after work? Viewer: I practice English and then go to bed. Practicing daily routines in English will make speaking more natural. Remember to repeat after me slowly and clearly. Finally, let's review all the phrases we learned today. Greetings. Hello. Hi. How are you? Nice to meet you. Daily conversations. I'm still at home. I'm going to work. I need help. Can you repeat that? Travel and restaurant. I would like a coffee, please. Where is the bathroom? How much is this? Time and routines. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. I practice English in the evening. Polite expressions. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Sample conversation review. Alex: Hello. How are you? Viewer: I'm fine, thank you. And you? Alex: I'm going to work. Can you help me? Viewer: Sure. I need some help first. Alex: Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Viewer: It's over there, next to the cafe. Alex: Thank you. I practice English every day to become confident. Remember, daily practice, repeating phrases out loud, and using new vocabulary will help you speak English confidently. Keep practicing every day and you will see improvement. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Before you go, remember this. Learning English is a journey, not a race. If you practice a little every day, you will improve faster than you think. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical English lessons. Share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English. Write a comment below. What new sentence did you learn today? Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.